आज का ये सफर शुरू करते हैं एक बड़े ही खूबसूरत ख्याल के साथ। ख्याल है गुलजार साहब की। सही कहा है गुलजार साहब ने कि कुछ अलग करना हो तो भीड़ से हट के चलिए। भीड़ साहस तो देती है मगर पहचान छीन लेती है। दोस्तों, काबिलियत तो हम में है कुछ अलग कर दिखाने की, जिंदगी की हर मुकाम को हासिल करने की। बस जरूरत थी तो एक रोशनी की जो राह दिखाता हमें, और वो हमें मिला सुनील सर के रूप में। जीवन के ऐसे मुकाम पे खड़े थे हम जहां से भटकना बहुत ही आसान था। इससे पहले कि हम रास्ता भटकते, आपने हमें थाम लिया, और इसलिए हम आपका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया करना चाहेंगे। तो पेश है आपके लिए तैयार की गई यादों का गुलदस्ता।
Respected Sensei, it was just like yesterday when I had joined this training as a girl who was not even able to introduce herself properly. And today, after 100 hours of training, I am standing here as a confident speaker. So, this training and you has been a wonder to us. Thank you for making us believe that we are no less and we can do each and everything possible. I wish you a great future ahead, sir. Regards, Jaspreet.
My name is Nikita Chetia, a participant of Affirmative Action Training Program. I would like to take this moment to express my sincere thanks to Sid sir. This 50-day training program was a wonderful experience for me. Thank you, sir, for all the efforts you have made to help us grow. I have learned a great deal here and will take all this knowledge with me as I progress in my career. Best wishes for your future, sir. Last but not the least, thank you for making us believe in ourselves. Thank you for making us believe.
Thank you, sir, for giving your precious time in making us the valuable assets. Wishing you a happy and wonderful life ahead.
Hello, I am Pooja Borua. I am a student of TCS USA Batch 1, and I would like to take this moment to thank you, sir. Sir, you are incredible trainer, and I am so grateful for your work. Your encouragement and constant motivation push me to the highest. Thank you for inspiring me to excellent in everything I do. Thank you for making us believe in ourselves, and thank you for everything.
Hello sir, I am Biswajit Borua. I am from Sibsagar. I want to tell you something in our farewell. We are many thankful to you to teach us and wishing you joy and happiness. You are an amazing teacher and you only deserve the best. You are the spark, the inspiration, the guide, the candle to our lives. I am deeply thankful that you are our teacher, and also you are the pillar of our success and in the classroom, in the Zoom meeting, and you are the best. Thank you so much, sir, to give us this opportunity.
My name is Pooja Brahma. I am a participant of TCS Affirmative Action Training Program. I will be forever grateful for all your efforts in our career development, and thank you for making us believe in ourselves and the very best in your life as well as thank you.
My name is Dipsika Purakumar. Thank you for being my trainer in this training. It was a great experience for me, and I have gained a lot of knowledge and information in 50 days. And I will always remember whatever you have taught us, and I have never had a trainer like you. So thank you, sir. You making us to believe in ourselves.
Hello, my name is Jatin Sondai, a student of TCS USA Batch 1. Sir, thanks for training me. I will do my best to make sure I uphold the work ethic and commitment that you are known for. Thanks for the motivation and for the on-the-job training I have received from you.
I am a trainee of Affirmative Action Training Program. Sir, wishing you all the best.
You have been a wonderful teacher. I will miss your classes, but I have all that you taught me stored safely in my mind and my heart. Thank you for the inspiration. Goodbye, sir.
You do not know how 50 days of training in there. We thank Tata and UHSA that we got the opportunity where we got a chance to learn from a trainer like you. Thank you, sir, for making us believe we can. May you always be happy and healthy.
Devi, it was the great experience that I had during this training. I had learned a lot of new things because of the sir. I would like to wish you a great teacher.
Thank you, sir, for being a part of our life. It has been a pleasure to be your student. Thank you for making believe in ourselves and wishing you a happy and successful future.
I am Purabhi Mirtha. I am a student of TCS Usa Batch 1. You have always been very instrumental in my career. I really appreciate your mentorship and guidance. Thank you so much, sir.
My name is Abhijit Dev. Sir, firstly, I want to thank you and I want to tell you how grateful I am that you have given me this opportunity to be a part of this training program. And sir, furthermore, I would like to tell you that you are everything that one look for in a good mentor. And sir, I want to tell you that every day that we spend with you, we learn something new. And it was something that I was actually looking for, a platform where I can learn, where I could have a mentor who could guide me and make me a different person. Something I should work on my areas. So sir, I truly believe that the period that we spent with you, it was a life-changing, and all thanks to you, and it because of you that we can see ourselves in a different. Thank you so much, sir.
My name is Tapanna. I am so thankful and grateful to you for your hard work during this TCS affirmative action training, and I want to tell you, sir, that I will follow your all the suggestion and instruction, and I will not going to disappoint you. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Rajiv Thakur. I am a trainee for TCS Usa Batch 1 Assam. Thanks for being my sir and guiding me towards the right path of life.
Yes, sir. This is Vishal Sharma, and I would like to thank you for this wonderful journey. And I would like to say that you have inspired us and you have opened the doors of whole new world. And I will never forget you in my entire life, as you give a direction to my life and you have shaped our minds. Thank you, sir.
Hello, my name is Chandan Pratim Bora, a trainee of TCS Affirmative Action Training Program. As we approach the end of the training, I want to thank you, sir, for guiding us through a challenging phase of our life. Thank you for all those great lessons. It was really a life-changing training program, and I am forever grateful to you. I will always remember you and your lessons. There is a Sanskrit slok that I want to dedicate to you, sir. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Thank you for making us believe in ourselves. Thank you for making us believe.
Hello, my name is Shukul Islam, a trainee in TCS UHSA Assam Batch 1. Sir, at first you will take my heart is love. I wish you from my heart and soul for your future life. Sir, you have learned us a lot of things. That's why digital decades, digital smartness, job profile, how to write CV, biodata, resume. And sir, I want to thanking you for this guidance in this affirmative action training. I always remember you, sir. At last, again, I want to wish you. May God bless you.
I am a student of TCS Affirmative Action Training. Dear sir, I must say that words shall forever be insufficient to express how extremely grateful I am with this training. We will miss you, sir. Thank you for being the best. Thank you for making us believe in ourselves.
Hello, my name is Purnima Devnath. Dear sir, it was not only wonderful but also very grateful to be a part of this training. You always motivate and inspired us to do extraordinary things. You are an inspiration for us. You have made many changes in us. You shaped our minds. We are very lucky to have you as our mentor. So, thank you is a very small word to show our love and respect for you. But we are thanking you for making us believe in ourselves. Thank you and wish you a great future in your life. We will miss you, sir.
Hello sir, my name is Anish Nawar and I am a trainee at TCS Affirmative Action Program. As the 50-day long journey is about to end in a moment, I take up this opportunity to thank you for all what you have done for us. Sir, it was indeed an honor to watch you in action. I pray for your good health and prosperity. Sir, thank you for making us believe in ourselves. Thank you for making us believe that we can. Thank you, sir.